Hey guys, so yes, we're live. I have Cruz and Jerome. They're still waiting. I hope you're already seeing the upload now. Mm. Let's just wait for the people to come. Good morning, Cruz. Hi, good morning, Cruz. We're waiting for the people. May I ask, for those who are here already, where are you from? We have Antonio Iglesias, Michael Tejano from Taiwan. Wow, that's amazing. Hello from the Philippines, Michael Tejano. All right, from Seoul. Wow, Anyong from Seoul. Arch M. Amazing. This is the first time I have someone from Korea. That's very happy to know, Arch. Jerome Marquez. Okay na senpai. Good morning, sir, from Gerald. Yes, Harold. Good morning, Gerald. Jerome Marquez from Tuguegarao. Wow, amazing. John from Bulacan. Um, Good morning. Reynald Magdugo. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, Reynald. Dan Kelly. Okay, so we already have 20 attendees. So I think we can start. Jian Futol from Japan. Hi, Jian. Good morning from the Philippines. Lydia. Doha, Qatar. Wow, amazing. Paranaque from Cruz. Nep Cataluna. Verano Parcon. Good morning. Gats Agustin from Taiwan. That's good. KSA Offshores from Brian. Anyways, yeah, I think we have enough, so I can start already. Um, so what we're gonna discuss about is my favorite intraday technique. I mean, intraday trading technique. For those of you who don't know who I am Lloyd. I cannot be a full-time intraday trader because I am working as a team manager in Convergys. My shift is in the morning, so I really can't watch the market full-time. That's why I am majorly, most of my money is in intraday. I mean, most of my money is into blue chips, swing trading, and long-term investments. A portion of my money, I keep, I keep it ready for intraday trading. I am a trader on my rest days, which luckily falls on a weekday, market day. Yay! Anyways, uh, majority of my funds is into long term and swing. I keep around 20 to 30,000 of my funds ready for trading, and the rest is for swing trades and for the investment. Anyways, I had a request earlier to have my discussions earlier in the morning. I'll try my best to do that in the future, because as of the moment, I am in the mall. Nakiki-share lang po ako sa internet because it's not yet feasible for me to get a fast internet at home. Hopefully when the channel starts monetizing, and if it's already feasible for me to start one, I'll get one for sure. This is to continue my service for you. As of the moment, I'm in a cafe. I have to buy this to share my so I can share with the internet to be of service with you guys. Guys, the internet at this mall is very good for streaming. That's why I am here. Anyways, yeah, let me before I start the main discussion, I want to talk to you about something. Right, yeah, we have 52 watching. All right, if you have any issues with the streaming, let me know. Hello to everyone: Tiffany, Bob, Vanky Guru, Alexander. We have 56 watching already. That's good. That's very good. Anyways, I want to show you this and want to thank you first before I start the discussion. We are now at 1,523 subscribers. That's pretty amazing. This was just 1,000 a week ago, and in just 1 week, we grew 500 more. I'm very thankful to everyone for that. Back to the discussion. Anyways, before I start the discussion, I want you to know that the goal of this channel the goal of this channel is really to help everyone, mostly Filipinos, become financially literate, financially free. And I am using this YouTube channel as my mode as my way of helping everyone. I will need help. I am asking for those who for you if you can be a sponsor. If you're looking at our stream using the gaming page, uh, sorry for that. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, if you're looking at our site using the game channel, there should be a sponsor button just below here. You can be a sponsor so that you can help the channel in the future. Also, in our chat, if you there should be a super chat option on our chat page. What this does is this will highlight your comments right here and will stay at the top so that everyone, especially me, can see it and then I can answer it during our live sessions. Anyways, enough about that. I'm gonna start talking about the main topic today, which is my favorite intraday trading strategy. I call this the waterfalls. Let me tell you why I call this a waterfall. Um, Let me get Investograms. Let me just make sure this is showing up right here. Anyway, that's that's good. Let me zoom this out. So bear in mind, this is a 1 minute chart of now. If you want to check this out on other stocks, you can do this. You will see this. This is pretty rare, but whenever this happens, usually I gain when I do this. That's why I have around 20K to 30K of my money ready so that whenever this happens, I'm ready to get in. Anyways, waterfall is this right here. It's a series of red candlesticks, usually indicative of panic selling, right? Panic selling because there are many people who are buying at this area right here. They usually have cut losses around 3 to 5%, which is right here. And what happened when when the opening of the market started? It sold off, and then everyone, if you want to see, there are very many people who bought around this level, and then whenever they see this, panic starts to kick in. Their emotion really overrides their trading strategy. So whenever panic arrives, this happens right here. And then when panic strikes, I am there ready to take advantage of that. Um, I suggest you do this. You practice this on Investograms first, the virtual trade first, so you can execute this properly. But what I usually do is let me zoom in to this panic right here. So what I usually do is wait for one or two candlesticks before I get in for confirmation. Whenever the drop stops, that's when I get in. Um, there was there were two green here, but I did not do that because the fall is not yet very significant. It has to be a very significant fall before you get in. There was another one here, but I don't think that's very significant as of the moment. It did start here. I didn't do that. If you notice, this was on the 31st. It was my RD that day, so I was able to trade on this day. Um, when this happened right here, look at this. There was one, and this is a very significant green candlestick right here. The next red one was a what do you call this? Was a red line, but it already had a support right here. So this was my signal to get in. I looked for a bargain at around this level, and then in just how many minutes? Look at that right there. I gained right away. This was a normal pullback red stick. And then what I usually do is I don't hold on to this stock. I wait for it to start selling off again and then I sell because I know this stock I think this stock will be on a downtrend. That's why I sold. I really don't hold on to this. Um, the this right here, this red one right here, this is a reverse hammer, which is a very strong signal to sell. That's why I sold off at that moment. Let's do the math. How much I earned when this happened. Let me just make sure first if everyone is seeing this. That's very good. So let me pull up my calculator. I have, let's say, around 25,000 of my funds. Usually I have 30. So this usually is how much? 30,000 divided by the price at this moment was around 5.24. So I think I'm able to buy around 3,000 stocks. This one is 5,000 stocks, right? So I was able to buy 5,000 stocks at this moment, and then at this moment I sold at around 5.90. This was at 5.24. 90 minus 24 is around 70, 60.60, 0.66 gain right there. So 0.66 times 5,000. Right, so within just this panic, I earned around 5,000, 3,300 pesos. Not bad. That's 10% of my intraday funds right there. The key to this technique is, let me just lower this out. Now, the key to this technique is look for a high volume, what do you call this? Look for a high volume stock, right? So now, if you notice, now's volume, the past, for this last week was phenomenal. It was a very hyped stock. So many are watching it, so many are buying it, and this is the perfect stock to do this one. So I did not get in the stock right away. Nakaabang ako when this happened, I went in right away when the fall started to stop, and then I was able to gain this. So I sold out at this moment right here. There was another panic selling here, so I bought again at this moment right here. This wasn't a very large gain, but when the stock stopped falling right here, I entered at around this level, 0.68, and then went up again at 5.95. This was around point 0.3 gain. At this moment, it's still I can buy around 5,000, so I was able to buy 5,000. That's not bad at all. Right there, I earned 1,500 in just 11:07. 11. In just 30 minutes, I was able to earn that much if you wait for this to happen. Intraday. There's another one right here. I did get in at this point right here. This point right here, I was thinking of getting in, but the next candlestick was too high already, so I wasn't able to get in. But it happened again. This was the point where I got in. It was a small gain, but again, a gain is a gain. I think I earned around 300 to 500 pesos just for this panic selling right here. Um, it happened again on the next day. I was able to do this because I was already working. But you can see this on stocks, especially on the very volatile stocks. Right here, it happened again here, here. Um, that's my favorite intraday technique. Let me just go to our chat room to make sure I am not missing any questions. Right, if you have many, good morning from CBG from Mark. Yeah, you're from Convergys too. Good morning. Good morning. Hi Lloyd. Price range tool for easier computing. Oh, okay. I haven't practiced price range tool yet. I try to uh, check on it tonight. Maybe I can use it the next day on our live ones. From yay, nakahabol ako no morning guys from TJ. All right, that's good. Cavite. All right, so yeah, if you have any questions, just post it there. I'll try my best to answer it. You can use the super chat right here so that you can support the channel. But anyways, it's really voluntary if you want to support the channel. Let me go back to the discussion. Yeah, that was the first key. Look for high volume stocks. You should be able to see the stocks with the highest volume. If you have Investograms, use this. Just click on this icon right here. The most active stocks are right here. It's last Friday was SM, SMPH, ALI, BDO. I don't go into the stocks right away. I just monitor 1 to 2 stock, whichever is the most active one. Whenever there's panic selling like SM right here, but I wasn't able to watch the market that day, So another panic selling right here. When it stopped right here, it was good. It was a good gain, but this is a very expensive stock already. So I really don't want to get into this because um, konti lang nabibili ko. And then this is a very hard stock to sell. Anyway, yeah, that's another key. The next key is buy quick. Buy quick. How? Let's get to now again. How do I buy quick? So what I usually do is I set an order at the very lowest price a stock can get in the day, right? Um, this right here, like now, 5.80, the lowest price a stock can get is 50% from that. So around 2 pesos and 50 cent, around 3 pesos lower from this price. This way I just can get an order there. I already put in the amount, I mean the number of stocks and the amount I am trying to buy it for. And then what that does is I already have an order. I don't need to type any more orders when I really want to execute the order. So I just have an existing order there. What I just do is edit that order and just change the price, put in the password, and put it, and then click on send, and then the order is already ready. So I don't really have to do the math anymore during the trade. So that's crunch time. I need you to practice. If you want to do this, I need you to practice this in Investograms. Have the data ready and have an order already sent up there, which is very low price, so that it won't be executed. Because for sure this stock won't go. I haven't seen any stock go 50% below its current price in that day. So I usually do that already. Um, I compute first magkano yung ilan yung bibilhin ko with my money with the current price. That's the order I put. So that's how you execute an order fast. So another key is sell quick. The same. I put an order at the ceiling price of the stock. That way, I already have an order up. Once I'm already in, I put an order to sell at the ceiling price so that I have already an order ready with all the number of stocks I have. And then when I can see the signal for selling, which is right here, let me just make sure this is being shown, which is right here. This is already a signal to sell. I click on edit on the order, and then I just put the price I want to sell, which is 5.90, and then password, and then send, and then the order is executed already. So una ako nagsisell sa stock right away. So that's the key to this technique. This requires a very huge, this requires a large amount of practice. So I suggest practice this first before executing this on your real money. Stop loss, to be safe. What this does really is it's a very safe option for me to do, because let me show you this. When I went in at this stock around this level, look at my stop loss. Let me get the horizontal line. Let me hide this. So my stop loss is around this line right here, just below the support. This was the support that formed during the intraday. My stop loss is around this level. It was hit, the line was hit here, but it's not really a significant candle because it's around the level where I purchased my stock. So I really didn't stop loss. But if in case this lowers down, look at the risk I am taking for my money. Let me get a arrow, an arrow. So look at the risk, really. It's very small risk. Sorry about that. Didn't go through. Let me get that again. Look at the risk I'm taking. That is a very small risk compared to the reward I am getting right here. So this is a good definition of a low risk, high reward technique. You can use this intraday. So that's it, really. Let me go back to you guys. I'm going to check the chat for any questions intraday. Oh, Scott Cinco. So this is a super chat. This is the first super chat sponsorship I got. This is from Scott Cinco. I need to answer this question. IDC or SMPH? IDC or SMPH? Blue chips first, really. Go for SMPH first, but I really want you to diversify. If you have funds, 60% on SMPH, go for IDC on the other on the remaining of your funds. Actually, both of them is a very good buy for those who are watching. Also, SMPH first, really. The position of SMPH is very good as of the moment. Let me get SMPH so that everyone can see. SMPH daily chart right here. So SMPH has a pin right here. This is a very good sign for buying right here. IDC on the other hand did it's already at the middle of the support and resistance, so this is a good sign to buy. Uh, if Scott asked me if which is better, so I will answer SMPH. First of all, it's because it is a blue chip. So hands down, I will answer SMPH. Next, thoughts on JFC. JFC is a good buy. It did a pullback before, but JFC is still a good buy. Linda, I'm planning to buy SMPH tomorrow. That's a good. Asking for an opening price. Linda is asking for an opening price. Linda German. Opening price. I don't really suggest getting a bargain for SMPH because the price is already a bargain. If you can get in right away, just get in right away. You might miss the rise if that happens. Um, Luis Santiago as saying thank you. Right now, we already have 92 watching. I hope you were able to catch the video. Don't worry for those who came in late. This video will be uploaded today, so you can catch up tonight. Um, Let me just, for the remainder of my time, I just want to answer the questions that's here. Scott Cinco, I hope I was able to answer your question. Um, I'm planning to, GN Futol, Heaven. So Heaven is a very controversial stock. I mean, not controversial, but trending stock right now. Um, it's on an all-time high. I'm gonna make a video about all-time highs. Should you chase for it or not? If you're an if you're a trader, really, uh, I want to ask you, why do you want to enter stocks which are already overpriced, right? So my answer really is avoid Heaven if you are an intraday trader because it's already very expensive. But if you are an investor who is doing cost averaging, this really isn't a question because if you're into cost averaging, you just put in money regardless of how much the price is really. So as a trader, I don't suggest getting into Heaven. Sir, ano po ibang indicator pwedeng gamitin sa intraday trading? Late kasi ako nag-join. Peter Parker, Morex. Yeah, I want to suggest, I really suggest just Bollinger Bands, MA20, uh, support resistance. That's it. Those are the indicators I use. I want to show you also RSI and MACD. Next question. Aboitiz Power. From the question was from uh, Gerald Orlajo. Let me pull up Aboitiz Power. So Aboitiz Power is right here. Um, it's sideways, but definitely on an uptrend, slow uptrend right here. It's still below MA20. It's a good time to get in because look at this support right here. This was already hit 1, 2, 3 times, so this is a very good support right here. The price is at 41, which is very near support. So if you're looking for getting in, looking at getting in, it will be a very good time to get in. Also, another strategy I want to show you is just get in on a breakout right here if this is too high for you already. Okay, next question. Guys, my internet access is only for 30 minutes, so baka maputol ako anytime. So I just wanna answer all the questions I can. I have GATS, tugs. Let me pull up tugs. Tugs did a breakout last on the last trading day. Let me put a horizontal on the breakout. So this is a very good entry point right here. Cut loss at around this level right here, around 5.16, 5.32. So your risk will be very low. Next question. Yung CLC tataas pa ba? Let me check CLC really quick. CLC. The question was from Jo Jovenels. Anyways, here's CLC. Tataas pa ba? I think this is on an uptrend. We have a new support right here that's being hit. Hopefully it doesn't go down. So look for a bargain near the support level. This is an uptrend right here already. So it's good to get in CLC at this level. I can't assure you that this will go up, but if it does go up, this will be very rewarding. But if it goes down, just set your cut loss around 8.90 right here, 8.92, so that your risk is very small. VLL, 100% on my part there, Rigel. From Rigel, let me check VLL because this is very risky putting all your money on one stock right here. VLL is, yes, it's on an uptrend. That's good. I'm not sure at what level are you in, but right now this candlestick is very bearish. So most probably it will still go down, but don't worry, this is on an uptrend. The support is right here. So this is a good time to average down if you're already in VLL. So most probably the stock will go down and will bounce off at this level right there. Next question. IDC on Monday, yes. IDC is good to hold. ATN and ATNB from Reynald. Let me get ATN. So ATN, after the pullback right here, it's showing a new support right there. It definitely is on an uptrend. It was on a slow uptrend, but I want to pull this out right here. At this moment, it's at the middle of its support and resistance. I think it's still good to get in here, but look for a bargain at around this price right here. This will be the best entry point for this, and there's still a long way to go up. I don't know if this will do a breakout, but if you're a swing trader, this is a good support right here, basing on the other day's trade. I'm not sure if we're still up. I think my internet is down. I think it's still up. That's good. Anyways, IDC, I've already answered that. Now in TBGI is still very, from Jerick, now in TBGI is still very volatile, so I don't really recommend this stock for you guys. We'll know for sure in the coming days. I'll let you know if it's already good to get in now in TBGI. If you're holding, I think it's still good to hold because it's still very, it's still at its support level, really above its support level. SMC from Lydia. SMC, please, Sir Lloyd. Sana humabol pa ito. SMC. All right, so SMC is at 152 as of the moment. I want to pull up the trend line of SMC right here. SMC, if you're looking to get in SMC, I won't recommend to get in tomorrow, but if it goes down to its uptrend line right here, get in. I did recommend SMC days before because I said it is still well on its uptrend line, and look at that uptrend line. It's playing very beautifully on its uptrend right there. Right now it's very strong right here. You can get in if you can afford this kind of risk right here. It did touch the Bollinger Band, so this signifies a very strong movement right there. Good books for chart reading, sir. Jeff from Jeff Libudan. If you're a member of our Facebook group, Jeff, I uploaded material about chart reading and at our group. Please sure to make sure to check that out. NRCP, Max or Lloyd, alright. Wait, nauna si Art. Sorry if na gulo-gulo yung pag-answer ko ng mga questions accordingly. Kung sino nauna, I'm just doing the best I can. NRCP did a pullback. This is expected after a big move right here. Just wait for a buying for green candlestick before getting in. SMPH for tomorrow, yes. Actually, SMPH will be my number one recommendation for tomorrow. Alexander, Dominic, thoughts on GSMI from Nilo? GSMI, never San Miguel. So GSMI here. Let me pull up the uptrend line of GSMI. All right, so GSMI is still on its trend line. I will caution you because it's below its MA20 already, but get in. Stop loss right here. The good thing about getting in GSMI tomorrow is that its risk is very low, right? Just have a strict stop loss for GSMI. MJC. MJC from TJ Kate. MJC is on a slow uptrend. Very good. Stopped last Friday. It stopped at above its uptrend.